Insert 3 arithmetic means between 48 and 20. Let us solve this in this new Learn video. Hello everyone, welcome to my class, and in this video we are going to solve for arithmetic means. If we try to recall, arithmetic means are terms or term between the first and the last term of arithmetic sequence. And in this problem, we have the first term, which is 48, and the last term, that is 20. And our arithmetic means are 1, 2, 3. So which means that this will be our first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and then the last term, which is the fifth term. And to solve this problem, what we need is a common difference. If we try to recall, common difference is the number we add to get the next term. So we need a number to be added to 48 to get the second term. And then we need still the same number to add second term to get third term, and then so on and so forth. So we are looking for the common difference. And to solve that, we need the formula of the arithmetic sequence, that is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So let's now have the given. So our first term is 48, then our last term, which is the fifth term, or the a sub n is equal to 20. Since our last term is a sub 5, then our value for n is also 5. Now let us substitute these values to our formula. That is 20 is equals to 48 plus n is 5 minus 1 times d. Okay? So following the rules for series of operation, PEMDAS, parenthesis first, we have parenthesis inside of it is an operation, so we would execute it first and copy those numbers which are not affected. 5 minus 1 is 4 times d. Next, we have multiplication and addition. So we do multiplication first, PEMDAS. So copy. 4 times d is 4. D. Since we are looking for the common difference or the variable d or the letter d, make sure that d will be left on one side of the equation. It's either on this side or on this side. But in this case, our d will be left on this side. And since we have 48 and 4, we would move first 48, the one which is farther from d. Okay, let's start with the one that is farther from the variable d. And to do that, we would do addition property. But the shortcut is the transposition. Okay, so when we transpose, we move 48 to the other side of the equation. As we move it, its sign will be changed to opposite. So from positive, this now becomes to negative. And if this is negative, as we move it to the other side, then it becomes positive. Okay? So since this is again positive, now as we move it, it becomes negative. So let's copy 20 minus 48 is equals to, what is left is 4d. So 20 minus 48, that is negative 28, because 48 is greater than 20. Is equals to 4b. Now, divide it by 4. Whatever is the number beside the variable that we are looking for, that's also the number you divide. And when you divide it here on the other side, you should also divide it to the other side. Okay? So cancel. Now our d is negative 28 divided by 4. And when you divide unlike sign, positive and negative, or negative and positive, the result is negative. So our d is negative 28 divided by 4. That is negative 7. Okay? So now that we have our common difference, we can now supply the missing arithmetic mean. So 48 plus negative 7, that is positive and negative. You subtract 40, that becomes 41. Next is positive plus negative 7, that is 34. And then plus negative 7, that becomes 27. Then plus negative 7, that becomes 20. So now our arithmetic means is 41, 34, and 27. So do you have any questions? Comment down below. And that's all for this video. Bye-bye and have a nice day. Mwah.